Hi, I am Priya from BotNira, the advanced AI platform. In this video, we need to check how we can connect our WhatsApp number with BotNira. Through this number, BotNira can handle our client conversations. Firstly, we need to log into the BotNira portal from the top right-hand button, called Login. Here, I need to put my email and password in this portal and log in. I am using the dummy account for Amara Salon here. All the information here is dummy, not real. But in your account, all you need is the real business information. On the overview screen, first screen after login, you saw the dark blue color box on the right side, where the next step is mentioned. From this box, we need to select the second step, called Connect WhatsApp, Email and SMS Channels. By clicking on this button, we will reach on the page called Channels, plug in your front desk. Here, you got all the channel details, which are connected or not. We need to move to the second section on the web page called WhatsApp Meta Cloud API. In this section, you saw a green button called Embedded Signup. Click this button, a pop-up will open with the FB account details. On this screen, you need to enter all the information that Meta needs for your business verification. After this verification, your number will be added to the BotNira. Here, I need to turn off my screen for some time because I need to input some personal information regarding my business and Facebook account for mobile number verification. After verification, the number is added here. Here. Now I can receive all the messages from this number in BotNira, and BotNira can reply to all the conversations, book appointments and more. Thanks for watching this video. If you have more questions, visit www.botnira.com.